Now, how to get length of the arc? How to get length of the arc? Length of the arc is a part of the length of the circle. It means part of the circumference. This arc, if the center is O, and this is A, this is B, and I want to get length of arc AB. Length of arc AB. Length of arc L of arc AB. Length of arc AB equals length of arc L heat means length. L heat means length of arc AB. We have this formula, it's very simple. Equals measure of this arc over measure of the circle, which is 360, multiply by the circumference. So it's a measure of arc AB over 360, which is measure of the circle, multiply 2 by r. It's simple like this. For example, if we have this arc in problem number 4, problem number 4, we have here given this circle, and we have here the diameter, we have here this quarter, and this is 16, this is 16, and I want to get measure of this arc. This is O, this is X, this is Y. I want to get the length of the arc XY. Length of the arc XY equals length of the arc XY equals measure of the arc 90, because the angle here is 90, so the arc is 90. So 90 over 360 times 2 by radius. What's the radius? The diameter here. Diameter is 16, so the radius equals 8. So it's 90 over 360 times 2 by times the radius 8, and put this on the calculator. We are gonna get here 1 over 4, so it's 4 by. So it's 4 by, and leave your solution in terms of y. Leave your solution in terms of y. This is A, problem number 4A. Problem number 4B, also we have here circle. This the center O, and this is Y, and this is X. The angle here is the side here, the radius is 15, and the angle is 240. We have here this point P, and this arc, the arc from here, from Y, or from X to Y, from X to Y, this is X, equals 240 degrees. 240 degrees. Now I want to get length of the major arc. Length of XPY. XPY arc. So XPY arc. So it's a measure which is 240 over 360 multiply 2 by multiply by the radius 50. So 2 over 3, 5, so it's 10 by. We have here 30, 10 by. We have here 30 divided by 3. No, it's 20 by. It's 20 by. So the answer here is 20 by. Let's check on the calculator. 240 over 360 multiply 2 by multiply by 15 equals 20 by. Now it's your turn to solve got it 4 on your own. So we got it for, it says here, what's the length of the semicircle with radius 1.3? This is A. Find the semicircle. This is X, O, Y. I want to get the semicircle here. Given the radius 1.3. Then B, this is from my mind. Given the circle, given the radius equals 10, this is X, this is Y, and the angle here is 250. The angle here, measure of arc XPY equals 250 degrees. Find length of arc XY. I'm waiting for your solution on the WhatsApp group. This question and this one. Here find the semicircle, the length of the semicircle of radius 1.3, and here the radius here is 10. And this arc, the major arc, measures 250. Find the length of the minor arc.